So hello there again. Going to be shooting a quick video of how to not only replace the hood on my wife's 2014 Mustang V6, but also how to get the windshield washer sprayer nozzles out of the hood, since everybody can tell you how to do it online, but it's quite confusing, and I haven't seen a video where somebody shot a quick video of a 2014. So we're going to be swapping over this hood, which was the stock hood on our V6, and switching it over to one of the GT hoods with the hood vents. However, the big reason of this video today is I've removed one of the sprayer nozzles. They cut the nozzles. They didn't even take the time to take the nozzles out, so I've removed that one from that side. This one's still in, so I'll get to that here shortly. So obviously, first of all, as we're getting started, here we hold that. As we're getting started, I've already done a little bit of the work to make the video shorter. I've removed the weather panel under the hood. I've taken all the clips off. There's approximately 13 clips to take off. And if you don't have one of these trusty little tools, it'll make your life a whole lot easier getting these off. You can pop them off each in about 2 seconds versus scratching your hood all up using a screwdriver. So after you get that off, the windshield line goes up, and this hooks into this sprayer. This line hooks into that sprayer, and they're held up by these tiny little clips. Now they are just tension clips that wrap around it. You can get your finger behind it, just easily pull back on it, and they'll pull back so you can get your line off. To actually get these lines off of there, this little hole is actually covered up to protect it, just like that. So if you actually just wiggle your finger back there easy and pull it around, that little clip is going to be showing in there. You just take a screwdriver or a little pry tool, push on it, easy lift back on it, it's going to slide right out for you. So that way we don't cut the ends like the previous owners of the other hood did, since we bought it lightly used. And you can still use your stock hookups and your stock windshield washer sprayers, and you're not having to buy them from the dealer or order them, knock off on eBay. So what we're going to do is we're going to come back with the update on the video. In just a moment, I'm show you how to get the windshield washer sprayers out very easily and lift them out so you can reuse your stock ones. And then we'll come back after we got the other hood on. Of course, you got to take your rain sensor off here and 2 bolts on each side to remove this hood. Put the other hood back on, sit this somewhere safe where it doesn't get damaged, handle it very carefully, and we'll take a quick walk over to the other hood here. Just going to get a small flathead screwdriver. And in here, if you can see, this hood, this windshield washer sprayer is lightly held on by a clip that clips up into the top of the hood. So if we can, get around there in the light, wiggle that flathead screwdriver in there, and you just flip it backwards easily, it's going to lift down on that clip and just lift on it easy. That clicking is fine, but if it's any louder than that, it's probably broke. So just pull down on it lightly, and it should lift right out of there for you. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the old hood off. We're gonna get it down. We're gonna get the old clips off, go ahead and install those before we put the hood on. Put the new hood on. We'll get everything hooked back up. Of course, I gotta take my weather protector off here, and I'm going to do that here in just a second to kind of save time, and then we'll come back here in a short clip and show you after everything's been put back on. All right, we are back for a quick finish up. I got the new hood on, as you can see, hood vents. There is the V6 hood. Went ahead and changed the battery out as well, since we had a little bit of corrosion under the battery, which that's another time, but disconnect both your battery terminals. Let's go ahead and slide this foam piece out from around it. Loosen this up easily because this goes to your strap. There's a little piece at the bottom that's plastic, lifts up. Leave it back. Replace the battery, put it all back where it was, but we got our new clips in. I got the hood on, so Let's go ahead and drop it down. See how she fits. Like a glove. And there she is. Got a little bit of oxidation there that I'm gonna clean up later, throw some F11 on. But haven't laid her down, but she's lined up. Thinking about maybe painting the hood vents black. So what do you think? If you think of anything, leave it in the comments. If this video helps swapping out the hood and the windshield wiper sprayer nozzles, please thumbs up, subscribe please. You know, I'm sorry if this video didn't fit your needs if you were looking for something else, but I hope you find what you're looking for. Thanks for watching, and again, thumbs up and subscribe.